In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pocket Option promo code. Step-by-step guide. First, open your preferred browser and search for the official Pocket Option website. Make sure the URL is correct to avoid any lookalike sites. Once you're on the official page, go ahead and log in with your account. Keep your credentials private, and if you can, enable extra security like two-factor authentication for added protection. Once you're on the home page, look for the banner that says Get 50% bonus on your first deposit. If this is your very first deposit on the platform, click that banner to activate the offer. Remember that promotions often come with terms and conditions, so it's a good idea to quickly review the details, like eligibility and any turnover requirements before you proceed. Next, choose your payment method. Options can vary by region, but for this walkthrough, select Gcash as the example. Pick the method you actually plan to use, and make sure your payment account has enough balance to cover the deposit and any potential fees that might apply. Take note of the minimum deposit amount, which is P291. Decide on an amount that suits your budget and risk tolerance. Bonuses can boost your balance, but they also may include conditions, so deposit only what you're comfortable with. Now enter your chosen deposit amount carefully. Double check the number before moving on to avoid typos. If you have a promo code other than the first deposit bonus, click the option that says I have a promo code and type it in exactly as provided. Codes can be case sensitive and may have expiration dates, so verify the spelling and validity. If the first deposit bonus is already applied, you generally won't stack multiple codes. Use the one that offers you the best value based on the terms. When everything looks correct, click Continue to Pay. Take a moment to review the summary page. Confirm the payment method, the deposit amount, and that any bonus or promo is properly reflected. If something looks off, go back and edit before you finalize. For Gcash, log into your Gcash account and use the QR scanner to scan the code shown on the Pocket Option payment page. Confirm the amount and the receiving details inside Gcash, then approve the transaction. Wait for the confirmation message and return to Pocket Option to see your deposit reflected in your balance. In most cases, it appears shortly after the payment is confirmed, along with the applied bonus if you're eligible. That's it. If the bonus doesn't show up, reach out to support with your payment confirmation. Thanks for watching, and good luck.